Hey guys and gals, so welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Gearheadgirl, and today we're going to be unboxing some exciting new parts for the BMW E30. So in this kit we should have our lower control arms, steering rod ends, tie rod ends, sway bar and links. So go ahead and unbox. So everything is nicely wrapped in bubble wrap, as you can see. Start taking this out. Here's your up close of the lower control arm. You can see we've got these plastic coverings, which are nice and handy dandy. Over here we've got our tie rod in, again with those protective plastic covers. Alright, and then we've got our control arm bracket with the bushing already pressed in, so that's nice and handy dandy. And then we've got our sway bar end links. Again, everything comes with those handy dandy plastic covers. See, that's there. Alright, and these are all stock OEM E30 replacement parts. Alright guys and gals, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys back for the next one. See ya.
Check us out online at Gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram at Gearheadgirl69.